Hello dear student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your channel RS English Era, and we all know RS English Era is an English channel. Here we upload English materials like speech, debate, conversational class and many things. It will be scheduled daily. Firstly, I want to say that English is very necessary, very important, but why? We all know and we all to try speak English, but this is not so easy whatever you like think. No. Firstly, there are many matters, there are many topics in front of you. Eventually, if you are an English medium student, even I want to say that you are a CBSE student, you focus on your English languages, then you have to capacity about the word meanings and great knowledge about the English. But I want to say that this is the process. Firstly, we have to store many types of word. There are many words helps to improve our English languages and English conversation topic to each other. So firstly, I said this is the going upward topic. Why is English necessary? I mean to say that why is English necessary? Then we can say that English is necessary due to it's an important. What is the importance? When we talk to each other and say our responsibilities, say our conversational matter, communication gapping, every region we can feel this is the very important language. So secondly, I want to say that if we go to the speaking quality about English, then we have to choose any topic in discussion, any life and secure. So when we face some children in front of us, then we reply and say some questions. What is the importance of English? Why is English necessary? There are a lot of questions about the English subjects, but the children not given answer fluently because the erasing of and hesitation of the words meaning. We have on complete the word meanings of criteria, and the children have on the idea of word meaning uses. So this is not easy to say that English speaking is very easy, but when we learn the grammatical terms and when we learn some ideology of English like words meaning, the Hindi meaning, the pronunciation, these all are the criteria to improve our English languages. So we can say that English is our international language. And many types of communication gapping, communication and conversation, these are the both sides, and the two sides differ to each other. Conversation is other matter and communication is other matter. When we advise, when we add to the another person, this is our called a conversation, and we can say that the question and answer province. But secondly, when we choice any types of foreigner country, then we have to knowledge about the foreigner countries language like French, other extra advance of learning explorer of English subjects. Lastly, we can say that when we choose any type of topic about English, then we have to complete the word meaning, the phonemena of English, the proverbs, the idioms, the structure of grammatical terms, pronunciation, usage, and many more things. If we learn all about the criteria of English, then we have to the increase our English languages and conversational modes. In the next video, when we present on the next video, then we have said to the topic English importance, uses of English grammar, and basically importance of English in our India country, because we know that Indian English and foreigner English is something differences about each other. But firstly, my topic is why is English necessary, then this is the summative matter. Secondly, when we choose the other topic about the foreign or Indian English, then we have to fully discuss about the English. So this is the slightly class of English conversation and topic discussion of the why is English necessary. So lastly, I want to say that please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you for watching this video.